SlowCast English, Episode 3. Meet Anna and Mike.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but happy. How about you?
I'm doing well. I'm excited to talk with you today.
Me too. So, Anna, can I ask you a question?
Of course. Go ahead.
Where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan. It's a small island in Asia. How about you?
I'm from Canada. I live in a small city now.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like your city?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and clean. Do you like where you live?
Yes. I like my city because the food is great.
That sounds good. What kind of food do you like?
I like noodles and street food. What about you?
I like pizza and burgers. But I also like Asian food.
That's great. Do you like cooking?
A little. I can cook simple food. Can you cook?
Yes, but only easy dishes. I don't cook every day.
I understand. So, what do you do, Anna?
I work in an office. How about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Wow, that's nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like helping people learn English. Do you like your job?
Yes. My coworkers are very friendly.
That's important. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and listening to music. What about you?
I like walking, reading, and podcasts, like this one.
That's perfect. It was really nice talking with you, Mike.
Same here, Anna. Thanks for the great talk.
Thanks, everyone, for listening.
See you next time. Bye.
This podcast introduces Meet Anna and Mike. Anna and Mike introduce themselves to each other in a podcast program sharing their native place, occupation, and favorite food. Anna comes from Taiwan Province and works in an office. And Mike is a teacher from Canada. They discussed each other's hobbies, cooking skills, and the fun brought by their respective cities. Finally, they ended the program with a friendly dialogue and thanked the audience. Program editing and production, Vera. Time of production, the 10th of February 2026.
Bye. See you next time.